Need to convert multiple PowerPoint files to JPG? Handling them one by one manually can be tedious and time-consuming. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can get the job done safely and efficiently in just a few clicks. We have about 60 contracts that need to be converted. Then gradually understand how to batch apply this conversion function. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, select PowerPoint Tools, PowerPoint to JPG. Add multiple PowerPoints or import a folder containing the contracts. Select the contracts you want to convert and click Next. Configure as needed in Step to Processing Range, P, Merge, click Next. Choose an output folder, click Next, then start processing. Files will begin processing immediately. Wait for the operation to finish. Waiting for processing to be completed. View the number of successful attempts, skipped attempts, failed attempts, total time, and processing logs. We can click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the log for viewing. Open the sample file and confirm that the file has been converted. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.